Hey, hello, scrappers. Thought I'd tear down a couple of these little motors here that come out of wash machines. I've got my helper. It's Peanut Butter. He decides to come out and join me all the time. These things, a lot of these are different, so can't really say there's a standard way to tear them down. This one's got four torque screws in the bottom. It looks like T25. They look like copper motors. Hopefully they are. Hopefully they're not aluminum. Oh, we got cast aluminum here too, so I don't know if these little things here need to come off or not. Pull it through. Yeah, that one came off easy enough anyway. Now, I'm not sure that this one's going to. Probably not. I can't get under it. Okay. Pound that one out that way. I don't think I brought my one magnet in from outside, but I should have one right here. Okay, nothing sticks. That's clean cast. So I got a red bucket here with nothing in it, so throw the can. Yeah, let me check that. Let me check this side. Yep, she's good. She's clean. Looks like it should be copper. Nah, not sure. Maybe it might be aluminum. Looks pretty silver. Okay, stick that over there. At least we'll have this cast aluminum. Hey, that fell out real easy. Setting it up, getting ready to use the hammer, it just falls right out. These I usually throw in short iron because they're nice and heavy. Hope everybody's just about got their Christmas shopping done. What do we got? A couple more days till Christmas. Hang that back up over there. Get it out of my way. That does not want to come off of there at this moment, so we'll it's not, those aren't very deep. Not very long screws at all. So they only screw into the one side apparently. Grab that one with the magnet. We got stuff on both sides here, and it doesn't seem like it wants to pry off either side. Probably have to take a punch and knock it through. Like I said, I don't know if I've seen two of these alike. Well, get my pin punches here. And I think I'm going to set it up on top of here and go with that one. That was pretty wide. It's moving. Yeah, there's that. That needs a little more cleanup. Oh, let's see. Get a good, that really just doesn't want to cooperate too well. Yeah, I think I'll do it this way. Well, that's not, so we got little latches in there, so let's see if I can't break them off. One broke. Those latches might be keeping it from moving either direction. There's that wire in there that was making that thing so tight. There it goes, one hit. And magnet doesn't stick anywhere. Good clean aluminum. Another piece of short iron. And is this one aluminum? Yeah, it's hard to say sometimes in this light. Kind of looks like aluminum. It probably is. More and more they're going to aluminum, unfortunately. I'll definitely know once I make a big cut, but so far it doesn't look good. 2 out of 2, not too good. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like we got a little insert in there that's sticking. Yeah, let's clean some of this trash out of there, see what we got. Okay, that came out pretty easy. Now that other part, yep, it just fell right out of there. And that looks pretty clean. So the aluminum cleans up good, but just doesn't seem like we're getting... Okay, this one's got a bolt all the way through in the nut. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I turned the phone on a few minutes ago and saw a notification from the guys down there at the iScrap app. And it's saying copper prices are dropping. So if you haven't got your copper in yet, you might check your yard and see if prices are going up or down and make your decision whether to get it in or not. I'm not sure which way that thing goes. I may just have to take and hit it hard because it looks like it's been kind of riveted in there. So just got to figure out how to get... It's probably got a clip on the sides. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's out of there. Came apart easy enough. That looks clean. Yeah, what have we got? It's awful fine wire, so I'm hoping it's copper. Could be. I need to see it under, probably under daylight. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes under these lights. Looks kind of white though. Probably not good. But even if it's aluminum, I usually go ahead and take the time to pull it out. I know if you're doing it by by the hour or whatever, you're not going to make any money with it. But it's a hobby for me, so I'll go ahead and pull it out, and then I'll have some clean short iron. Let's see. Anything doesn't want to move. Yeah, like something's holding it. Not sure what. It looks like the bearing's trying to not fall out of there. There's something sure holding that thing in there. Well, when the going gets tough, huh? Plug your ears. Wow. Looks like I got something, almost looks like aluminum in there. Aluminum, like aluminum square in the center, and then plastic. Only a couple more cuts and I should be able to do something here. Let's see what we got now. I believe I cut all the way through that shaft. Yep. That fell out. There we go. Clean aluminum. Some more short iron. Well, a lot of times these have come out to be copper in these new motors, so, but that one there sure doesn't look like copper. And this video is already over 15 minutes, so it's pretty thin wire. And that looks like aluminum there is pretty white. This yeah, I'm pretty sure they're all aluminum. Hitting them with a grinder. Just shining white as can be. Unfortunately. Well, I tried. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. And I'll save the New Year's for later because I still got a couple more videos between now and then. But if you're not a subscriber to this channel, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit that notification bell to see the videos as I put them out. That way you don't miss any. Share it with your friends and hit that like button. So you guys have a great Christmas, and we'll see you after Christmas in the next video. Bye-bye.